And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
So hard to digest the damage that Ian did to Florida and for South Carolina and for North Carolina, even though obviously what happened in Florida is what we all remember when it hit as a Category 4. We have had some really stinky kind of weather the last couple of days, but nothing hurricane, tropical storm, though it's been kind of breezy at times. Our weather, for the most part, is just kind of miserable, but not dangerous. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s right now. Temperatures won't move much tonight. Pretty much where we're at now will be our low temperature tonight. The winds have been out of the northeast about 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour, so it makes that air temperature feel a little bit cooler. Then you throw in a little fog and you throw in some showers and you have the recipe for miserable. Skycam outside showing that fog in Providence. This little raindrop there just rolling down the camera. Just to add a little insult to injury right there. Visibility, mainly southeastern Mass is where we've had most of the fog today, but now starting to creep back to the west. Westerly, you're still good right now, but that will likely change, and I do expect some areas of fog tonight to go along with more rain. Now, water vapor imagery since Sunday, a very good way to show you just how stubborn this little low pressure is right here, just spinning around almost in the same spot for the last 24 hours. We talked about this last week. It wasn't going to be raining every single moment of the day from Saturday to Tuesday or Wednesday, but it was going to continue to be cloudy and cool and breezy. It was going to be tough to shake this pattern because this low pressure is just kind of stuck here. We talked about this yesterday. Think of these high pressures lined up like a big wall, and this low just has nowhere to go. So it just keeps meandering around off the mid-Atlantic coast, and it just keeps pumping up these showers up into our area. Now, so far, it's been mainly light rainfall, and the heaviest of rain has been to our west, but I do think tonight some of the rainfall will likely be a little bit heavier at times, especially after midnight into the morning tomorrow. You can see right now, we talked yesterday, waves of showers. Not everybody has showers every moment of the day, but there's still some rain out there and the roads are wet, and it obviously is a very gloomy, cool day. And it will stay rainy tonight. Some of that rain will come down a little steadier after midnight. Temperatures hardly move mid-50s. Breeze sticks around, gusting to 25 miles an hour out of the northeast. Tomorrow, showers and still breezy. Same forecast. Temperatures once again stuck in the mid to upper 50s, well below where they should be for this time of year. And some of that rainfall will likely be a little heavier during the morning hours and probably tapering back just a little bit in the afternoon. If you're trying to gauge a time you may feel more comfortable going out during the day tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 50s in southeastern Mass. And just another day where we're going to be like, okay, when's the sun coming back? Thursday. That's the day we have targeted here for some beautiful weather. So Futurecast, yes, we have some rain for the evening. You'll see after midnight, though, some pockets of some heavier rain working in and around the bay. I'll say from about 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, there could be even a little rumble of thunder. And then we go into the rest of the day on Wednesday. You'll see that area lift north. And eventually by evening, the coverage does start to taper off a little bit. And that's like the light at the end of the tunnel. Because once you get this last little shower push around midnight out, the clouds on the back edge will move out as well. The exception will be for Cape Cod and the islands. If you're traveling there on Thursday, not nearly as bright as it will be for the rest of the area. But once you get some sunshine, there you go. Temperatures get up to around 70 degrees and it gets a lot better. Friday's even better and better. Mid-70s, sunshine looking good. We'll cool it back off for the weekend, but we keep the sunshine this time and we'll keep it going into early next week as well with high temperatures either side of 60 degrees. Tiffany.
I like that. Thanks, Jeff. Hey, let's take a look at what's making news around the world.